Hi, John Wells here. Today's video is going to be about Cartagena. I can't go to Cartagena myself due to the restrictions. They are still on a little bit regarding travelling from one region into another. Murcia region is where Cartagena is. I live in Playa Flamenca, which is the Alicante region. I can't go across the border unless it's a good reason. Me doing a bit of sightseeing is not a good enough reason at the moment. So what I've done, I've been on YouTube, I've been searching out Creative Commons videos, I've pulled a couple of them in, I've sort of chopped them up, mixed them up, put them together in a different fashion, put some more music underneath them, and I've kind of made my own version. As ever, below I will put a link to the original footage, so if you want to go and see those, I would advise you to, because it's not fair that I'm just using their videos and they don't get any credit. These people below, they're the ones that's done all the hard work and done all the videoing, and it would be appreciated if you look at their sites as well. So I'm not going to waste any more time other than say, if you enjoy anything about this video, hit the likes button and that thumbs up sign. Also, you can subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll get all of my up and coming videos in the future. That being said, let's carry on and I will show you the video. It only lasts a few minutes. Till the next one.